Here's everything you need to know about the Asian Range Breakout by extension report on edgeful.com. So here we're looking at YM, Asian Range Breakout report. We're looking at the by extension sub-report. If you don't know what this report does, the main report, make sure to go to that standard and then scroll down and watch this video. It's super important. Really highly recommend that you understand that first. But pretty much what this report looks at is the average extension from either the London or New York session based on the Asian range. So in this case here, let's go to Tuesday, March 11th on YM, go from the Asian low down here. You can see this is minus 1.5%. So what I want to do, and I'm just gonna, it's easier for me to show you visually. I want to go to, what's that, March 11th. Now you can see 1.05% right over here, minus 1.05%. So let me show you what I actually did there. I have my market sessions indicator, which is part of the edgeful plan. And so if you're a subscriber, you can just go and request access to that right over here. If you go from the Asian low to the low of day in the New York session, you're going to see it's minus 1.05%. So what this report does is it tells you what is the continuation after the Asian range breaks. And you can compare the New York session to the Tokyo range, or you can compare the London session as well. So now on this day, March 11th, there was obviously different, obviously the New York and London session are different, but you can see here that there was a break to the top side and the bottom side. So here is the break to the top side. So that's from the Asian high here, that's 0.04, 0.04. And then from this low to the low here was 0.7, and you can see the 0.7 here. So just taking a step back and going to the 6 month, you can see that for the Asia to London is roughly 0.35%, which means that if you are trading the London session, the move that you want to expect, or the move where you can expect, okay, price has broken the Asian low, I want to expect some sort of continuation. The area that you want price to go in is roughly 0.35% to the upside or to the downside based on the Asian range. So that's really important. This is going to help you understand what sort of profit targets to set and what sort of continuation or reversals to expect. Now, you can change the start and end times here. You can also go back, obviously, to the New York session, which obviously will have a bigger extension from the Asian range. But this report will be very useful if you consider the Asian range in your trading, if you're trading London or New York. So if you guys have any questions about this, reach out to our support right over here. And make sure to subscribe to the YouTube. There's a ton of information on there that will be very helpful to you as a trader.